The interlinkages of processes require that each of the 45,000 KIMs, the kits which are like this one before us, must be loaded with the names of the candidates from the ward to the presidency. This is a time-consuming exercise, and any further delays in resolving disputes in the remaining electoral areas could mean that the names of the candidates involved will not appear on the ballot paper. It also means that the transmission of results electronically will be hampered in the affected areas. And rather than risk the realization of the entire August 8th elections, the Commission has resolved that no further amendments to the candidates list and register of voters shall be introduced at this stage. The Commission wishes to clarify that the accuracy of the 2017 register of voters has been enhanced by both the outcome of the verification exercise and the recommendations from the KPMG audit. The voter verification by use of biometrics was availed from 11th May to 9th of June,